What's going on, YouTube? As you can see, we found the tripod mount. It was on the bottom of the selfie stick. Yep, I'm that smart sometimes. But on smarter things, if you haven't seen my short, we are working on a CNC billet top hat and dual Walbro 525 mount. You can use it as a single if you want. I'm going to make it so you can just do it however you want. So stay tuned, we'll have a whole video series about this product here. But we have a package here from Ronin Speedworks. I'm just gonna unbox it with you guys. Let's dive right in. All right, before we get started, I'm gonna try to do this in one take. I haven't been able to do it at all. I delete all the time and redo it. Let's give it a shot. So we are opening up the Grande kit for the RX8. It's not even on their site yet. So you can contact them directly to order it, but it has to be done that way. They'll have to send you an invoice, and yeah. I'll pull up the guy's name that helped me out in a little bit, but looks like we have two, looks like spacers that probably go on the end of the axle to space it properly from the dust boot or ABS ring, I'm assuming. So that's what those look like, two of these. Very nice finish on that. Oh, there's something in here. This is not just filling. Oh, what do we have here? Nothing else. Throw that to the side. What do we have here? Oh, are these the ABS rings possibly? Oh no. What are you? Yeah. That looks like a tone ring, and that, my coworker is going to definitely give me a talking to when he watches this, because he hates that word. I'm going to try not to use it or too much. Little pet peeves going on, but this looks fantastic. Wonder if, yep. Here's the other one. There we go. Whew. Those are fine pieces. Okay, let's get over to here. So, CV boot kits. I'm assuming everybody knows what a boot kit is. But just in case, let's open one of these up. We have our boot, we have our grease to go in, and our two clamps, which reminds me, I have to buy a tool to clamp that together. So, two go on each CV shaft. Ooh, these might be the hubs right here. And they are. Leaving a little bit of suspense. Here is the new bearings. And that is a giant, beefy boy bearing. Whew. Put this back in the package. Don't want any rust to get on these before I install them. And here is the Grande hub piece. So this will be Explorer sized in here. So don't have to use any of the Mazda portions. And the new studs, look at those. Yeah. And I bet The ring goes on. Nope, doesn't go there. Okay, nice try. I'll figure it out. That's where it's gonna go. You're gonna go right inside of there. Hey, we did it. We figured it out. We did it. We did it. Okay, there is the hub. And here is the other hub. Should be exactly the same thing, which it is. And another bearing to go with the hub. A piece that everybody is probably wanting to see. Whew. This is the first time I've ever bought anything quite of this nature. It's crazy. I'm looking at $1,800 on a table. This was supposed to be a budget build. It's kind of out the door with these. Let's see here. I hate this stuff sometimes. It is a pain to get off. There we go, twist. Twist. Ooh. And, oh my. Now that is an axle shaft. It's beefy. Super beefy. Splines look really nice. And it does say something over here. FER8 8GRD 04-2023. So it looks like they've been working on these for a while. Unless these are the same ones on the RX7. That would be a little amazing to find out. I don't know. The question is, are they the same lengths? Here we go, twist. Twist. And there we go. Ooh. They are different sizes. Definitely different sizes. And the shorter one is a FD8 8GRD. FER8. Interesting. So I'll have to look those up. Obviously the rear end kit's going to be coming up shortly. Alright, so I was talking to a Joel at the Ronin team. He's the guy that helped me out this whole way. Tons of emails back and forth. Very, very helpful guy. And with everything out on the table, let's give you guys a closer look at everything. So first, here is the quality of the axle shafts. So the Explorer ends are going to go on both sides. And the tone ring will go on each side so I can retain the factory ABS of the vehicle. Give you guys a close-up of this one. And of course the guarantee it's for the axle nut. Goes inside of there. Bearings, don't need a close-up of those. Actually, you know what? Here's a close-up. I'll just do it. This thing is thick. So that'll have to be pressed into the knuckle pretty much. And let's go ahead and put you guys back into the box. Come over here. Let's grab. And hell yeah, brother. Do the do. Okay. Not sponsored. Yeah, I wish. Here's a close-up of the studs. And the axle half will go, or the Ford Explorer axle half will go into this side. All custom made. Look like the camera is messing up there. Whew. I've never done anything like this in my life. So there's part one. If you guys want to see any other pictures or anything, or questions about the fuel system that I'm doing, which feed, return, little sneak peek of this, I am going to put an angle on it to clear the seat just a little bit more. Rev 1, obviously, want to bring it down just a hair. Just going through some fitment, but yeah. And then the hanger, of course, that'll be bolted inside of it. One little bolt to clamp them together. Gonna probably redesign this one also. Yeah. Little project I'm working on and the bigger project. So we'll call this video a wrap, well, unwrapping. And we'll catch you on part 2 of the diff install. Catch you guys later.